So friend, this is my Blue Sky channel and my this new topic here, performance monitor. Already last video I'm create. So administrative tools, my topic continue here. So I'm already create component service event viewer and ODBC data source. What is a component management? So you can watch my previous video and use these very important. So today system configuration. So what is a system configuration and why using these system configuration? So system configuration always your computer main system starting and your control your all of main computer your system services booting time. Boot means your computer power on and press your button. That means call a system boot. So system configuration, these tools always your help your starting system your time and settings. So it use only for main system management and main operating system and your main operating system boot services only for and your computer you start and your starting time sometime your computer check. So how your this computer start? First your computer start boot options and boot settings here. So boot is a boot main boot file and I'm already told you. So server inside available this system configuration, not directly server start power on because they need all of computer machine booting file here. So why using these system configuration? Because this starting computer main computer settings and main computer important files and services available in these systems here. And why system start by OS first check these run Windows services and programs main computer programs here. So you can see here this my system configuration Windows here, general boot service startup tools, this type 5 type available in this my menu. So general inside you can see startup selection means your computer start. That means you push your power button and uh, you know you press your power button. That time you start your computer. So normal startup, diagnostic startup, and you can see selected startup. What is a diagnostic startup and what is normal? Normal means all device drive and services first start. Diagnostic start means your load basic devices and system services, and selective startup means you can select what first load system. So I'm already using a selective startup because I want fast boot fast computer start here. So load in system services and load startup items. So this is a two already normal means you 15-20 seconds inside this starting your system your computer, but you start selective system. So uh, maybe take your performance good your motherboard your hard disk and your CPU. So 10 second 15 seconds start your complete your computer. So sometime very lazy type and a very loading type starting your computer will take more timing here. So why this time? Because your CPU performance weak and hard disk performance, that is the main reason. And boot means your computer start. You press your computer power button and that means you start your computer. So IT field call in boot systems. So boot means your computer starting time. So this is a main C Windows current OS default OS. This is a main computer booting file here, you can see here. So Windows folder inside different files and different files with your drivers here, you can see here. So first this is a very important, this Windows folder in all of data operating systems here. So you can see files folders in the Windows folder here. So computer start your first and open directly BIOS and BIOS post system and automatically check your all of booting files here. So you can see a boot advanced options means you can advance your system start here. So number of processors, so in my case 2 processor I'm already select, and maximum memory you can see here. So first you want to fast your computer boot, so click on boot advanced options and click on number of CPU and select 2 core. So maybe in case your 5 core available, so select maximum system here. So boot option, what is this boot option means your computer starting options here. You can see your boot log. So you want a boot log means you can check your computer starting time, any problems, so showing this message in your event viewer. And safe boot means your minimal and alternate cell active directory repair and the network. So you want this safe boot, so you can you know select this. So what is this minimal meaning is your minimal requirement system starting alternate cell starting, and so I don't like this safe boot. I like only for just showing this type here. Okay, so computer directly not directly open this type your computer systems. So first services background start and automatically start main system. No GUI means you cannot see your your start menu, your folder directly open command prompt through. Okay, so I don't like this boot log. So I want boot log, and base video means main computer base video, just you can see welcome screen, and some systems you can operate system information, operate system boot information, and timeout means 30 seconds. So 30 seconds after restart your computer. So you can see here make all boot settings permanent means you're always permanent means your computer always using these follow these settings here. So computer configuration always using a main computer main starting systems here, you can see here. And services, you can see by default computer services start this tab here. Okay, you can see here I'm already told I'm already create a services topic video, so find out in my channel playlist and check services video. So what is the services, why using services? But this system configure services means all of services you start your computer exactly power on time. Okay, so what is the resource monitor difference and what is the services? So first watch my previous video, and after these services systems, so these all of systems main computer services you want check out here, and you can see here. So hide all Microsoft services means hide your main computer Microsoft company by default services start here, and this is all the service by software by my driver systems here. So you can see this is Intel R registered technology, Intel R graphics technology. This means my Intel corporation means this is a driver of my devices here, and not showing Microsoft company services, but I'm just unclick and you can see here startup. So what is a open task manager means your startup time you open start manager, and you can see here. So startup item you can manage here. Okay, so you can see here startup means your computer start, and that time these all of services with this software automatically start here. So what is a startup and why using a startup here? Because my computer always this tab in this my account here. So this is all of a computer startup application in my software. Well, I'm power on. So you can see here, and if you want unnecessary application you use, so unnecessary application always disable, because load your computer. So you want a computer fast speed. So first this you can see here, this is my origin electronic arts, this type software not available, not need and not I'm using. So this is my unnecessary software, so I'm already disabled, and unnecessary services disable. Okay, so first unnecessary startup services click on task manager and open here. Okay, so this is here, this is a very important start here. So you may be trouble open your task manager. So click on task manage task bar and right click in task bar. Tools, what is the tools? You can see here my computer system configuration, different type tools available in my computer. So this is about window change, USC settings, security. This is the tools for my computer changing and computer controlling systems here. So all of this tool available in you can see a command prompt, registry editor, remote assistant, all of different tools available for my operating systems using different features and technologies here. So you want to open window R and click on CMD, window R and write CMD. This is my command prompt, and I can check everything by controlling by command prompt. So first you know about what is a command prompt. Command prompt is one type DOS operating system, and these help you command through you control your computer, you can control your systems here. So tree is one type of a command for list of your folders and different type folder in subfolder here. So you can see here desktop insert main desktop document, and you can see here all of here. So event viewer, I'm already told you what is the event viewer. Check my playlist control panel, you can see here. And change USC settings mean change your user account control settings and user account system control settings here. So all of changing systems and windows and maintenance, you can see security maintenance. So what is the security maintenance, and I'm already just showing you. So first windows troubleshooting I will show you in some video what is a window. So this all of our tools for my computer using and controlling all of tools, basically special administrative tools in for using this system in computer engineer, always using these type tools, and very important for computer systems and administrator. So remote assistance mean by remotely connect to without going your leave your systems and access other system. So you can see here general. So I will discuss in some time. So next time, next topic, new topic. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.